I'm Joe Bruff. I work for Leone Wiring Systems. Really, really good, like fantastic. I didn't think that I would be opened up to, I didn't appreciate how much going into leadership would change what I'm doing day to day. And yeah, it's good. I've got a lot of tools now that I can take away and use to actually understand the people around me in a work context a lot better. A lot of it, I think, was stuff that you kind of already did naturally, but this puts it into context and makes you understand why that's valuable and how that can then impact like the benefits for the business. I have like a review set up with my team leader anyway at the end of this week, so I'll write up some notes and then actually create some actions for myself. That's what Rich has been getting us to do anyway, is to come up with actions that we think we're going to do, and then in a few weeks' time we'll actually see him again and actually get to talk about what we've been doing, so it's good that it holds us accountable to that. It's my second time here, and yeah, it's beautiful. It's not something I'm used to at all, so it's really nice.